How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Jeff Herrick coming to you from Green Industrial here, Belgium, Wisconsin today. We're going to check out a 150 KW Cummins genset. So this is an open skid machine. Basically comes as you see it. It is again, it's 150 KW, 3-phase output. I believe it also has capabilities of doing single phase. It's a 12 lead system, so we should be good there. But it puts out right now 150 kVA, 480 volt, 277. So what you see is what you get. It's a cool little unit. This is a Cummins 6 CTA 8.3. So it's an inline 6-cylinder. It's like 230 horsepower, I think, at 1800 RPM. It was new in 1991. It's a nice little Cummins engine. To date, has 229.6 original hours. So, all right, let's just, we just did a quick service on it. It's got all new oil, fluids, filters, all the way around. And we'll go ahead and run it here for you. And we'll talk about how you can get a hold of me as soon as this is over. Okay, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It is serviced and ready to go for you. So if you have a dairy farm or a small commercial facility and you have an indoor mechanical room for a genset, you're looking for about 150 kW, 3-phase, pretty much reconnectable in any voltage, let us know. Get a hold of me at the shop, 262-476-5045, or get on our website at gibuys.com. And as always, folks, save thousands and buy used from Green Industrial today.